Listen guys, as you can see on the screen that here is the process that was used by the Chadwick in 1932 for the discovery of neutron. He used a polonium source as a source of alpha rays, and he hit on the beryllium shade beryllium target, and he observed that some mysterious rays and mysterious particles were produced, and he also used a paraffin slab for as a target material. When these mysterious particles hit the paraffin slab, because they have highly penetrating, they eject atoms from the paraffin slab, and the atoms get charged by these rays, and then these charged atoms are captured by the gas filled in the chamber, and when these charged atoms enter in the gas filled in the chamber, it convert it into ion formation and then convert into ions, and ionization occur of gas molecules, and from these charged ions he calculate the current, the speed of the from the current, and the current produced by the charged ions on electrode. He calculate the speed, calculate the current, and he found that, and also found the speed of these particles, and he found that these particles have mass and have mass equal to the mass of proton, and they have no charge. They are electrically neutral. So next, here is the experiment: discovery of neutron and beryllium Be and 4. Beryllium have atomic number 4 and mass 9. When he hit helium alpha particles as a helium alpha particles, which is equal to the charge and mass is equal to helium nuclei. So when he bombarded beryllium with helium particles, it will convert into, he observed that it will change into, by absorbing these rays, it will change into carbon having 6 atomic number and mass 12 is equal to 10, and it release 1 neutron. If we continue, if we calculate atomic number and mass number, the mass number should be equal to 13. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, but here it is equal to 12, and 4 atomic number is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. It's mean it have one, it release 1 neutron, which neutron has 0 charge and 0 mass, and mass is 1 and 0 is charge. So it's mean they eject neutron. When the alpha rays bombarded into the beryllium target, it changes into carbon atom and it releases 1 neutron. Properties of neutrons are as following: neutrons carry no charge, they are neutral, they are highly penetrating, and I have already explained that they are highly penetrating. That's why it eject and atoms from the target material paraffin slab, which he used in the experiment. They are highly penetrating, and mass of this particle was nearly equal to the mass of the proton. I have also discussed in the experiment. Next is, there is the heading. You can write headings from here. Historical background. Rutherford observed that atomic mass of the element cannot be explained on the basis of the mass of electron and proton only. From here to a neutral particle. Next heading is experiment, which is start from in 1932. Chadwick discovered neutron when he bombarded alpha particles on a beryllium target. He observed that highly penetrating radiations were produced. These radiations were called neutron. And then there are the properties. Third heading is properties, and there are 3 points, and you can also mention headings for every point, which is 1 for charge, second penetration, and third is mass. Now you test yourself. 2.1. Do you know any element having no neutrons in its atom? So it is no neutrons in its atom, so the element is hydrogen, because it has 1 proton and 1 electron. Who discovered an electron, proton and neutron? And we know that J.J. Thomson discovers electron, proton discovered by Goldstein, and neutron is discovered by Chadwick in 1932. How does electron differ from a neutron? Electron carry negative charge, neutron carry no charge. Neutron have mass equal to proton, but electron have 1840 times less mass than proton or neutron, and they also differ in the location. neutrons are found inside the nucleus, and electrons are found around the nucleus, are present in the orbits around the nucleus. Explain how unlabeled rays are found from the gas present in the discharge tube, and this can also be explained by using this. We know that these rays, anode rays and canal rays, not anode rays, canal rays or positive rays are produced from the ionization of gas molecule present in the discharge tube. So next, do you know any element having no neutrons in its atoms? Yes, the isotope of hydrogen protium has no neutron. It has no proton in its nucleus and one electron. And it has one proton in its nucleus and one electron revolving around it. Second one, who discovered electron, proton and neutron? 1880 से Goldstein, 1890 से J.J. Thomson. Negatively charged particles called electrons, and in 1932 James Chadwick discovered the neutral particles called neutrons. Next, here is the difference between the electron and neutron. And the fourth one is explain how anode rays are found from the gas taken in the discharge tube. Anode rays do not originate from the anode. In fact, these rays are produced when the cathode rays or electron collide with the residual gas molecules present in the discharge tube, and analyze them as follows. And metal represent the any gas molecule, M represent the any gas molecule, and electron, when we hit the electron on metal atom, it will ionize by giving electron, and one electron is used for heating, and when it eject one electron from the metal, so in the right side of the right side of the equation there will be two electrons is removed, one which we used and second one which we released from the metal atom. And there is the notes, there is a spelling mistake. With the collide with the residual gas, there is N, you should write U in place of N, and gas molecules, and there is UN, printing mistake, you have to write M in place of UN. Molecules present in the discharge tube, and as them as follows. So it's our today's lecture.